Hey everyone! If you're in the market for the best 3D printer of 2024, you're in the right place. We've taken a deep dive into the latest models to bring you the top pick that excels in performance, versatility, and quality. Whether you're printing for fun, work, or creative projects, this 3D printer has you covered. Be sure to check the description below for links to the best deals on these products. Stick around until the end to see which one suits your needs best. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Let's get started. Number 1. Elegoo Saturn 3. MSLA 3D printer has emerged as a standout choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking to dive into the world of resin printing. After thoroughly testing this printer alongside several competitors, it's evident that the Saturn 3 delivers exceptional performance and remarkable features that make it a top contender in the market. One of the first things you'll notice about the Elegoo Saturn 3 is its impressive build quality. The robust metal frame ensures stability during printing, which translates to more accurate and consistent results. The printer boasts a generous build volume, allowing you to create larger models without sacrificing detail, making it ideal for intricate designs such as miniatures, figurines, or prototypes. The printing resolution is where the Saturn 3 truly shines. With a high pixel density and improved monochrome LCD screen, the level of detail captured in each print is nothing short of stunning. Test prints showed crisp edges and smooth surfaces, allowing for minimal post-processing. The faster curing time of the resin also means you can expect quicker results without compromising quality. User-friendliness is another strong point of the Elegoo Saturn 3. Its intuitive interface and well-designed software makes setup a breeze, even for beginners. The detailed assembly instructions and easy calibration process take the guesswork out of getting started. Plus, the printer is compatible with a variety of slicing software, giving users flexibility in their workflow. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to the resin vat and build plate for cleaning and replacement. Number 2. MakerBot Replicator Plus stands out as a reliable and user-friendly option for both beginners and experienced makers alike. After extensive testing and careful evaluation, we have found that this printer excels in performance, ease of use, and versatility, making it a worthy addition to any workshop or home studio. One of the standout features of the MakerBot Replicator Plus is its impressive print quality. With a resolution of up to 100 microns, this printer produces detailed and precise models that showcase intricate designs. Whether you're creating prototypes, art, or functional items, the Replicator Plus delivers consistent results that are hard to beat in its price range. Setting up the printer is seamless, thanks to its intuitive interface and straightforward assembly process. The large 5-inch full-color display provides easy navigation through settings and print options, making it accessible even for those who are new to 3D printing. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows for wireless printing directly from your computer or mobile device, adding a layer of convenience that many users appreciate. Another notable feature of the MakerBot Replicator Plus is its spacious build volume of 11.6 x 7.6 x 6.5 inches. This ample capacity enables the creation of larger prints without the need for tedious assembly of smaller parts. Moreover, the printer is compatible with a wide range of materials, including MakerBot PLA and Tough PLA, allowing for creative flexibility in your projects. Number 3. Ultimaker S5 stands out as a powerhouse that combines user-friendliness with exceptional performance. After extensive testing and real-world applications, it's clear that the S5 is designed for both professionals and enthusiasts alike who demand precision and reliability in their prints. One of the standout features of the Ultimaker S5 is its impressive build volume of 330 x 240 x 300 meters, allowing for the creation of larger models without the need for tedious assembly of smaller parts. The dual extrusion capability is another major advantage, enabling users to print with multiple materials or colors simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for creating complex models with supports that can be easily removed. The print quality is nothing short of remarkable. With a layer resolution of up to 20 microns, the S5 produces highly detailed prints with smooth finishes. We tested various materials including PLA, ABS, and nylon, and the results were consistently high, showcasing the printer's versatility across different filament types. The built-in active bed leveling feature ensures that the first layer adheres perfectly, a crucial factor in achieving successful prints. User experience is further enhanced by the intuitive touchscreen interface, which simplifies navigation through settings and print options. The Ultimaker Cura software, which is compatible with the S5, offers powerful slicing capabilities and a wealth of settings for fine-tuning prints to perfection. Durability and reliability are key elements of the Ultimaker S5's design. Number 4. Formlabs. Form 3 Plus stands out as a remarkable option for both professionals and hobbyists alike. After extensive testing and comparison with multiple 3D printers on the market, we found that the Form 3 Plus combines precision, ease of use, and versatility in a way that is hard to match. One of the standout features of the Formlabs Form 3 Plus is its impressive print quality. Utilizing low-force stereolithography, LFS technology, this printer achieves stunning detail and smooth finishes that are ideal for creating intricate models, prototypes, and even functional parts. The results are consistently sharp and vibrant, making it perfect for applications ranging from engineering to artistic endeavors. Setup and operation are also user-friendly. The intuitive touchscreen interface guides you through the process, making it easy to start a print without a steep learning curve. Additionally, the printer's automatic resin dispensing and calibration features streamline the workflow, allowing users to focus on creativity rather than troubleshooting. Versatility is another key strength of the Form 3 Plus. It supports a wide range of materials, including high-temperature and biocompatible resins, which opens up possibilities for different industries, from dental to aerospace. This adaptability makes it a great investment for anyone looking to expand their capabilities in 3D printing. Durability and reliability are essential for any 3D printer, and the Form 3 Plus does not disappoint. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 2. Max deserves a spot on your radar. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear that this printer stands out in the crowded market of 3D printing. The Cobra 2. Max boasts an impressive build volume of 300 x 300 x 320 mm, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals who require a larger printing area for their projects. One of the standout features is its auto bed leveling system, which simplifies setup and ensures that your prints start off on the right foot. This feature, combined with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, makes the printer accessible even for those new to 3D printing. Print quality is where the Cobra 2 Max shines. During our tests, we observed crisp details and smooth finishes in a variety of materials, from PLA to PETG. The printer maintains consistent layer adhesion, which is crucial for larger prints. Additionally, the direct drive extruder offers precise filament control, minimizing issues like clogging and stringing. Another excellent aspect of the Cobra 2 Max is its speed. With a maximum print speed of up to 200 mm, it significantly reduces print times without compromising quality. Whether you're working on intricate models or larger prototypes, this printer can handle the demand efficiently. Durability is also a highlight of the Cobra 2 Max. Its sturdy metal frame provides stability during printing, reducing vibrations.